Hey everyone. All right, so welcome. Today we are going to go over the Business Credit GPT by Rich Girl Code. This is definitely a tool and system that you need in order to succeed. No more ebooks, no more courses, none of that stuff. All you need is this software right here. So let's begin. Click the button, let's get started, and it's already been programmed to help you move forward. All right, so awesome. You're taking the first steps toward building strong business credit. What are you most interested in learning? Type the number that matches your goal. So we're going to say, let's just say getting funded without documentation. I see that a lot on the internet. So we're just going to say number 5. All right. Easy as that. Just pick the number, choose, whichever number you're most interested in. Perfect choice. Let's talk about getting funding without documentation, often referred to as no docs. I know you guys see that all over the internet, right? Well, it's about to break it down. Business funding. So this type of funding is powerful, especially for entrepreneurs who may not have extensive financials or tax returns. All right. So key types of no docs: business funding, business credit cards, revenue-based financing, vendor and net 30 accounts, fintech lenders, business cash advance, yada, yada. All right. So what you'll need, it'll give you a whole list of everything you'll need. You can even slow this down to write it down and take notes. And as you can see, it's really in depth. Okay. So it's not, again, just an ebook or a course that's static and doesn't give you any type of follow-up. The more you use this software, the more it's going to understand your needs, your wants, and your goals, all right, and to help you fulfill that. How do I use this GPT? It will tell you exactly how to use this GPT, okay? So you're chatting with Business Credit GPT, your expert guide for building strong business credit step by step. So even if you've been wanting to start maybe a credit business, a business credit business, you can definitely do that by using this tool as well. It's not just for those who want to just build their business credit. You can use this as a means, as a tool to build up your own business in this, all right? And then you have your prompt library. The prompt library is just that. It gives you prompts specifically designed to help you navigate and master different aspects of building business credit, okay? So you can use or adapt these prompts whenever you're ready to dive deeper into this actual software. So if you feel like this is a tool that you need, a tool that you want, definitely download it today and get started. It comes with reseller rights as well. So for those of you who may want to use this as a business and start making money, 100% profit, definitely sign up for the resellers program and you can get started today.